This is an arepa. It's made out of cornmeal. You know how in the United States you might go to a stand and buy a hot pretzel? Well, in Latin American countries like Venezuela, people would go to a stand and buy arepas instead. Joseph D. of Florida emailed us the recipe. To make 8 arepas, here's what you'll need. Cornmeal. I'm using yellow cornmeal, but you can also use white. Salt, butter, and some grated cheese and slices of ham. These are the traditional toppings for arepas. Arepas can be baked or fried. We're going to bake our arepas, so you're going to need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. If you're not allowed to use an oven, then ask an adult to help you. You need to wash your hands before you start cooking, and my hands are already washed. Now you want to pour 2 cups of water into the bowl, like that. Now pour in 2 cups of cornmeal into the bowl too. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And now mix them together. Mix. It smells kind of good. It should look a little bit watery. And if it's too dry, you can add some more water. Now, you want to mix the dough in the bowl so that there are no lumps. My cousin is from Colombia. She likes to make arepas too. And it's actually a tradition that people from Latin America like to make arepas on special occasions, like Navidad, which is Spanish for Christmas, or on just birthday occasions, anniversaries, anytime the whole family's together. I think it's fun because we get to keep our Latin American traditions alive in the U.S., even though we're not from the U.S. So. Now you want to let the dough sit in the bowl for about 2 minutes so that the cornmeal soaks up the water. And after about 2 minutes, the dough should look like this. And I'm going to mix it some more. Mix. Now, it doesn't have that much water. It's going to be easier to form a ball. So, now take a small amount of the dough and pack it in your hands to form a ball. People make arepas in different shapes. Some people make theirs flat, and other people like to keep theirs thicker. Alright, now you want to place the ball on the cookie sheet. Hold on. Move this around. There we go. And you want to, since I'm going to make my arepas flat, I'm going to use the palm of my hands to flatten it out, like a pancake. Take another piece and flatten it out with my hands. Right. That. Alright, now I'm going to just clean my hand a little bit. It's kind of messy. Alright, now we want to put the cookie sheet in the oven for about 15 minutes. So I'll put on my oven mitts and put it in the oven. Now you want to take the cookie sheet out of the oven after it's 15 minutes. Be careful because it will be very hot. So I'll put it down. There we go. Take off my oven mitts. Now, you're going to need an adult's help for this next part. You want to spread some butter on a warm arepa. Arepas are like, they don't have a smooth texture, so it's kind of hard to spread the butter on it. That's enough. Now you want to take a slice of ham and put it on the arepa and sprinkle on some cheese. Right? And I'll do the same thing for the next arepa. And spread. Ooh, spread. Okay. This one's kind of easier. Alright, that's enough. And take a slice of ham and sprinkle on some cheese. Now, you want to put the cookie sheet back in the oven for about a minute, or until the cheese has melted. Put it back. Put it back in the oven. Here are some arepas that are already cooked and cooled. To find the directions to make arepas, you can go to the Cafe Zoom section of the Zoom website at pbskids.org. And while you're there, you can send us your favorite recipes. Buen provecho. That's Spanish for bon appetit. Really good. It's awesome.
Welcome to Cafe Zoom. Ashley M. of Birmingham, Alabama, emailed us the recipe for lasagna roll-ups. Here's what you'll need. 8 ounces of cooked lasagna noodles. That's about a half of this pack, and we'll probably make 10 roll-ups. But make sure that you have an adult help you cook the noodles. Ricotta cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 eggs lightly beaten, and a jar of pasta sauce. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then, pour some pasta sauce at the bottom of a baking pan. Ah, oh, smells so good. Splatter. Okay. Spread it out. Love the smell of pasta sauce. Okay. Then take 2 cups of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella, and 2 eggs. Put them into a bowl and mix it. Ew. There's pasta sauce in here, but that's okay, it doesn't matter. Oh, kind of messy, be careful. It doesn't look that appetizing really at first, but when it's all cooked and everything, it's going to be really good. But don't eat it in the batter because it's got raw egg in it, and that's really bad for you. You could get really sick. Okay, I think that's good. Then lay out 1 lasagna noodle. And these are the cooked ones. And put some of your cheese stuff on it. Make sure that you leave room along the sides and at the ends, because if you don't, when you roll it up, the cheese will just ooze out. A little more. I love lasagna, and this is good because it's really easy to make. Okay, so roll it up. Then put your roll up seam down on a baking pan. Just make another one. Oh, oops. Come on. Cheese won't cooperate. Okay, roll it up. Then, once you're done with all of your noodles, take your pasta sauce again and pour it on top. Okay. Then, put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. And once it's cool, it should look like this. Then, take a big bite. Bon appetit.
It's fluffy. It's got peanut butter. It's fluffy peanut butter dip. Dina B. and Thea W. of Valley Mine, Missouri sent us this recipe. Here's what you'll need. 1/2 cup creamy peanut butter, 1 8-ounce container of vanilla yogurt, 1/2 cup whipped cream, you can use store-bought or homemade, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and fruit slices for dipping. Here's what you do. Mix all your ingredients into a bowl. Peanut butter. Ugh. And some whipped cream. love whipped cream. If you really like whipped cream, you can add a little more, like, because I love whipped cream. Into the yogurt. This would be really good for a party, or just if you're sitting at home, TV, and if you want a snack or something, because it's really good. And cinnamon, and mix. It's a little hard to mix, but it's easy once you get it going. It smells really good because of the cinnamon. Make sure you get all the clumps out, so it's nice and smooth, creamy. That looks about done. Then after you're done blending it, put it onto a plate. And then you can put fruit slices. Like that. Bon appetit! It's really good. Let me try strawberry.